How to upload photos from your camera roll to Snapchat. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, in order to upload photos from your camera roll to your Snapchat, you have to give access for your photos to Snapchat. So head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below, tap on apps. Here search for Snapchat, then tap search. At the section, scroll below, then tap permissions. Here, make sure the photos and videos are allowed. Tap onto it, tap on Always Allow or Allow Limited Access. Once done, launch your Snapchat. As you do so, you may go ahead and tap on this Gallery section. And here, tap on Camera Roll. Once done, you will be able to see all the photos that are in your camera roll right at this page. Tap on anyone to upload it, then tap on Story or send it to your friends. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.